Oh my gosh. Dude, it's still alive. Oh my god. Poor thing. I wasn't 100% sure.
Give me 1 second.
Oh my gosh. So a hawk hit my car. I was going about 55 miles an hour and it's stuck in my grill and it's alive. Should we take it somewhere? I mean, is its wings? Do you think its wings are? No.
Wings are okay,
It's okay. It's okay. I wonder if I mean, popping the hood wouldn't do anything, so, because it's...
He's gonna try to bite me real hard.
I know, that's why I don't want you to, like... Should we call somebody?
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't panic, buddy. You're gonna break your neck. Oh my god. Oh.
Pop your hood.
Oh man. Poor little man. Oh, you're stuck in there. Look at your little face.
He's all right.
Yeah, he's okay. What about... Is he gonna... Holy cow, he's beautiful. Oh my gosh, what about his neck? Is his neck okay?
Red-tailed hawk. He's all right. I just worried about his wing.
Is his wing like all jacked up?
What's that?
Is his wing all jacked up?
Don't think so. His neck's
Are you
all
gonna be okay?
All
Are you
right.
gonna be able to fly, little man? Should we just kind of inch him over to that field over there? See if he'll...
All right, ready?
Okay. Okay, little guy. Are you gonna be okay?
His wing's all right.
Are you not gonna be able to fly? Because I go to Humboldt State. I can call friends.
If his wing's broken,
Yeah, I think it is.
let's just check him out. How did it happen?
I was driving right there and he tried to cross the way and I tried to swerve. That's why he didn't hit directly. And I just couldn't get out in time.
His wing's all right. It's not broken. At the
No?
shoulder.
Okay.
Let's see.
Hey.
Come on, buddy.
Hey, little man.
I know.
I know it's a little scary, huh, little man? You just had a shock, but you're beautiful.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh my god, he's
Careful.
so
Don't. He'll bite you real good.
Yeah.
How's those wings, buddy? You all right? Huh? Let's try this. Here we go. You ready?
Yes. Nope. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Woohoo!